Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the Hytera BD502 radio and I have our two top earpiece options for this radio. First we have the G-Hook. This one sits comfortable on the outside of your ear. It has a swivel piece so it can be worn on the right or the left side. Our second option is the 2-wire surveillance earpiece kit. So one wire has the audio tube and the other wire has the push-to-talk and the microphone. Both of these earpiece options have the TC700 earpiece connector at the end of it. That means it has a 2-pin connection and a screw. To install this on your radio, on the side you'll see a cover, and that's for the audio port. You'll want to insert the 2 pins firmly. Then you can start twisting clockwise on the screw. And that should keep your earpiece secure in place. If you have to constantly share your radio and earpiece, I actually recommend using the 2-wire surveillance earpiece kit because this will allow each user to have their own audio tube, as you can disconnect this piece here. And the new person can add theirs in, so there's no issue. To check out these earpieces or this radio, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.